Hi guys, so today I'm going to be talking about this 2011 Crompton Race High Speed Ceiling Fan. And this is the G logo I just wrote, see here and there. And this is the label of the fan. This fan is disconnected now, it works perfectly, but I disconnected it. This is a 2011, it has the just 1 second. It has globe 2.25 microfarad capacitor. This is the buying date, and as you can see, there's a G logo spotted. And I can't show you the performance video right now because this one is disconnected, just as I said. And I will show you the motor. See, I repainted it because here there was some scratches. It's not a perfect repaint though, but it's not noticeable at all unless you get closer to the fan. So this is provided by a good quality STD shackle, which it's a P branded. I don't know, I think it's some brand. And this is the same place where the 2008 HS was there. Let me get off this ladder. And so this is the fan. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel.